Listen to this.
Kilowatt 9, Delta X-ray radio. Charlie 2 Yankee.
Now I've called this guy and called this guy, and I can't beat the mash. I got an answer for all that. And let's see if anyone's looking. Yeah, hang on. Oh yes. I don't mind if I do. The answer to all your POTA woes. Be well. Catch you later, guys. I got work to do. Yeah, on second thought, come on, man. Let's go outside. I got a question for you. Hang on. So let's look at the garden as I walk by, because everything's planted, and we need to visit the Michigan cacti because I've got a question for you guys. I just made a contact on 6 meters using a single sideband and 100 watts PEP using the Michigan cacti. And I got a question for you guys. If you're not working 6 meters, what's your excuse, man? There's only 2 valid excuses, right? What's your excuse, man? I just worked Louisiana, right? And my God, I've got to get my Yagi done, my plastic Yagi. Well, it's plastic Yagi right now. I got to make it a functional wire Yagi. You notice I didn't fall down. Because you guys will laugh at me like last time. So, anyway, man, there's only 2 valid excuses. Either you just don't want to. That's a valid excuse, right? Do whatever you want, man. It's a free world. Within reason, I guess. Or your rig won't do 6 meters. You know, man, come on. I forgot to show you something, man. Because you say you haven't got antenna, don't say that. I'm holding my phone at chest level. That's the top of my 6 meter element. You know? No, it's not a hex beam. I wish it was. No, it's not my Yagi to be Lucy. It's none of that, man. It's a ridiculous ground-mounted vertical for 6. And, works great. Works great. I get to have a lot of fun on 6 meters without spending a single cent. All it took was, what, 4.5 to 5 feet of wire. Be well, guys. Take care. Get on 6, man. 10 meters and 6 meters have been raging the last couple days. And they're going to continue to do so all summer long. Take care.